Riffs, and today we're going to learn the classical gas chorus. At least I think it's the chorus. All right, so you're going to walk down the scale. You already know this, I'm sure, with your ear. We all know that that's what it does, but in between all that, you're going to hit the A string that's open, and when you get to here, you're going to start hitting the D string open after that. And it's a little bouncy with the thumb, so it sounds like this. You start by hitting both at the same time. Got your thumb, of course, on the A. And then when you get down to there, you're going to hit the A string again, and then pointer finger, A string again, and then you got your ring finger right here. And then from then on, it's going to be D strings until, of course, it loops around again. So it goes. Each time there's going to be a different fill. The first fill sounds like this. You got bar right here. Pointer finger is going to be barred on the bottom two strings, B and E. And you got your ring finger on the 7th fret of the B string. And it goes like this. Open D, E string, B string. And then you do that again, except you take your ring finger off this time. And then surprisingly, you don't hit the D string, you hit the A string. Even though we're not there yet, for some reason it goes to the A. So it sounds like this so far. And here's the next fill, I believe. So it goes open D, pinky, open D again, and your pinky is on the 8th fret of the B string. I'm just using these fingers. I'm trying to move them out of the way so you can see what's going on. Got your pointer finger on the 5th fret, and then you go back to the pinky, and then you hit your thumb on the D string again. So it goes, and then you hit pointer finger again. So that's the second fill. It goes. The third fill goes like this, which is a little pentatonic riff. There you go, pinky, pointer finger, pinky on the B, and then pointer finger there. And I think you might be hitting a D in between some of the, but it's hard to say. There's so much stuff going on. Just know your root note's D, and if all else fails, you're gonna bounce to a D note. I'm pretty sure you just hit it once. And then the hardest part of all so far, you do a G bar chord. You're gonna hit your thumb, and then you're gonna hit the bottom 3 strings with these 3 fingers. And then you're gonna go to a C bar chord, which is quite difficult because you have to have that note down there. Do the same exact thing with an F, and then to a sharp. And then you're gonna do a D chord, except you're gonna take your middle finger off and you're gonna hit an A as your root note, which sounds pretty cool. So you do that 4 times, and then you just throw your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the D string and hit the bottom 5 strings. It sounds awfully familiar to the cool chord that we learned from the beginning. Very similar.